everyone. This is Rover here providing you with a tutorial on steps for signing and certifying a record in Rover. We are excited to offer this video as one of many that we will be providing in our ongoing web training series for users. Remember, the username is case sensitive, use the tab key on your keyboard to navigate the fields, and use your mouse to operate the drop downs. This will help your user experience go as smoothly and efficiently as possible. So let's get started. Once you are ready to sign or certify the record, click Finish. There are two standard reminders at the top of the Rover warning page. Funeral homes must still sign or drop to paper, and a physician must certify the record. If there are no other items listed below these reminders that need to be fixed, you may proceed and click Save as Pending. You are now on the successful transaction screen. If you are a funeral director, you will see and click Sign Now. If you are a medical certifier, you will see and click Certify Now. You will now be on the Certify Sign Now Confirm screen. Click Activate Signing. Enter the 4-digit PIN you created when you set your account, then click Continue. The record is now certified. You may now click Continue to go to the main menu to process other records in your queue or log out of the system. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you need further assistance, please contact the Rover Help Desk Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. at 405-271-5380 or email us at askrover@health.ok.gov.